Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome to my channel. This is very special to me. It's like a dress that I made for my birthday. Again, it has like this tie-up thing. You can cinch up the top as you like, and you can actually you can just use it different, whether you can just tie it around your neck or you can just double tie it, whatever you like. So the yarn you see, the yellow and orange one, it is I think part cotton, part acrylic yarn if I am not wrong, and the rest of it like the white and the blue, that is 100% acrylic. Again, I did wear it on my birthday, but I never really got to cutting the ends off, so the ends are literally just there. So yeah, this is the dress. I'm really proud of it. Like, this was one of the longest project I made ever. So moving on to last few things that I actually like finished without except the ends being weaved in. Rest I have totally finished it. So this is another one that I designed. This is again a simple design that I did. It's I think a jasmine. It's like a flower. Again, the pastels, I think I like pastel colors, and this is the back. It just ended up being like that. And the sleeves, okay, the sleeves are definitely my favorite part. Look at this design. I really liked it. I did make this in brown for my friend. I'll talk about it more later, but this is what I made for myself, and then we ended up wearing it together on one of the trips that we went to. So yeah, this is the top. And yeah, one thing, when I started making more tops, I realized that for ribbing the best option for me is this stitch. I can't remember the name of it. Just let me know guys what this stitch is called. So it's like this one. So because it's very good for ribbing, it's really stretchy as well and it looks really nice. So this is the top. This is the glove I made for some reason, and it does not even fit me. I'll just try and wear it for you guys. So my hands are not going inside. I don't know what kind of baby I was making it. So the thumb goes in fine, but rest of it is like, if I would have made it better, it's definitely a nice design. I don't remember even making this, but yeah, this is like the glove. It was just in the box, so I decided to just show you guys. I remember making a mitten as well, but I don't remember where I kept it. I thought it was in this box. Yeah, got it. So this is the mitten I made. Again, just for one hand. I do like it though. So this is the mitten. I just made it for one hand and then I never ended up making for another. But yeah, this is the mitten. It's really nice. I think I should make its brother. Okay, now we are on to the last and the latest thing I finished, and I really like it. I have never really wore it. I think I wore it like once. This is a very pretty cardigan that I made. Look at it. I really like it. So again, we have it short sleeves because I don't know if you know, I live in Mumbai and it's never cold here. I mean, it's cold right now, but barely. Like if it goes below 20, we just feel like it's cold. So yeah, this is the cardigan. I'll show you better. I used a pattern for this. I don't remember, but it's very pretty. It's called Sailor cardigan. I don't know who's it from, but I used her pattern and it just turned out to be beautiful. Yeah, it's I think it's perfect to just wear on a tank top or just for a cover up or something. So yeah, this is the last thing that I completed. Now moving on to the whips that I have. So let's start with what's in this bag. I think I almost completed this and then I did not. This is again a vest I was making. So this is like a heart design vest. The birds are gonna keep doing that, so I'm just gonna keep speaking and hope that the mic is good enough to like remove that noise. But yeah, so this is the top. I did not finish it, as you can see. This is just this is it. I think I started doing like one hand, because you can see there's ribbing around this hand and I stitched it up a bit. But yeah, so this is all I made. But it looks like a heart. I should probably at least finish it or just frog it off, because the colors are beautiful. I would use it definitely for something else if not this. So again, this is the top. I think I did see some video on how to make like a panel. If I remember, I'll obviously link it somewhere. We have a bunch of Harry Potter stuff in here. I was making like a blanket because I'm a big Potterhead. I was just gonna make this squares and then make a blanket out of this. So this is Harry. And the last thing that was in here was a pack. I do want to finish it. I need to remove these straps and do it again. So this is a granny square bag that I made. Look at the colors. I really like it. So this is not a wearable, like you can wear it on your top, but it's not like actual wearable. But yeah, this strap was too long, so I just need to twitch the strap a bit. But I really like it. It's almost finished. If I just make the strap once again, it will be done. So yeah, that's. And I do have one more thing. So it's in this bag because this is something I was working on recently. Until I don't know what happened, I just decided I'll stop. So this is almost done. This again is a cardigan type of thing. It does not have sleeves. So this is like a green and tan cardigan that I was making. I don't know when I'm going to finish it, but it looks really nice. I'll just wear this one. Yeah, I just feel it looks pretty. So I definitely am going to finish it. I have the yarn for it as well. I did make some other things with that yarn for the market. The videos of the market would be already up before this, so I just stopped making this because I wanted to make things for that market, if that makes sense. And yeah, I think that's the last thing here, so I'm just going to count it for you. Oh, also I made few things which I gave away or made for something else. So first was this red top that I made for my best friend. So I'll stick a photo right here. So this was officially the first order that she gave to me. I made her this top. It turned out very pretty. And then I also made this top for my other friend, and that is similar to this pastel top I made for myself, which we wore when we went to Udaipur for some work. So it's right here. It looked very nice. It was this brown color, and I made the sleeves in the same design, but it were longer. So yeah, that's another one. And then for the same friend's nephew, I made this sweater. I really love the color blue, and it turned out to be so cute. So that's that. And last but not the least, I made this top from mohair yarn, and my brother ended up giving it to his colleague for Christmas, like Secret Santa last year. So yeah, this is the last thing that I don't have with me right now. But yeah, let's just count. So we'll just keep that things aside because that are not with us. So we'll just see how much we have it on us right now. And I should probably fold it up as well. I'm also planning, because I'm making this video before the fair. Again, more information you might have got. So I'm planning to just put this up for sales. Obviously they won't be at a higher price because they are pre-worn items. I'll probably just put it up for sale and see if anyone wants to buy it. If they want to, I will be happy to like sell it at a lower price. And even if no one wants it, I'll just keep it back in this box and try to sell it in the next pop-up that I do. So yeah, that was the first one. Now we have this is the second one. This is probably like my favorite thing. Then we have this dress, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, number 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have one more thing, is another top which I was making. It's almost done, I just need to view in the ends. Again, this is a crop top. It's very simple, it's Raglan style. I was making this when we went to Kerala. So yeah, so this is another thing which I forgot to show you. So this makes it 13 total. So we have 13 variables with us right now. Let's see if we would have sold something or not. I don't know if people wants to buy crochet tops or anything. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye.